We have some exciting news. We have 3 floor joists underneath. They're not attached, but we can do it tomorrow. I need a double joist hanger here. Wow, this is great. This is looking really good. See up inside, I got everything braced. I got brace up here. Feel like it's not moving at all. Yeah, we got it. We got it good here. So we'll do that first thing tomorrow. And work our way up in. We can do this. Mary Lou's starting to pick up tools.
Yeah.
You can just lay those under there. Nobody's gonna mess with them there. All right, so this is this is what I'm working with. Wow, I'm so grateful. And then this side, I'm trying to support it. That was way down already. This is real bad, broken. Look at that. That's not even that wasn't even joined. Unbelievable. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come all the way across with 2x6s. All the way across the whole length, which means I'm going to be getting rid of this, and I'm going to just have a sill plate on it. Double sill plate, 2x6. So, all right, that's it.